In this math priority standard, you'll be showing your knowledge of division. In number 1, it's just a standard division problem. So you need to rewrite it. And again, you'll show your work. 2 does not go into, or 6 does not go into 2. 6 goes into 27 4 times. 0. Subtract, bring down the next number. 6 goes into 31 5 times. Bring down the next number. 6 goes into 12 2 times. So the answer is 452. In number 2, your divisor is 2.4. You cannot have a decimal in the divisor, so you're going to need to move your divisor one place, and that means you'll move your divisor and your dividend. Then you'll rewrite the problem to solve it. So this problem is 24 into 864. 24 does not go into 8. 24 goes into 86. Well, I'm going to think about 24 as being really close to 25, and I know 25 times 3 is 75, so I think 3 will work. I'm going to go on my back of my paper or somewhere else, and I'm going to actually do 24 times 3. It's 72. I'm going to put the 3 up here. I'm going to subtract 72. I get 14. 14 is less than 24, so I'm good to go. Bring down my next number. So now I have to think. 2 goes into 14, 2 from the 24 into 14 from 144, about 7 times. But I got a little extra with that 4. So instead of trying 7, I'm going to try 6. I'm going to go down here and multiply 24 times 6. 12, 13, 14, and it is indeed exactly 6. So my answer there is 36. There is no, the decimal is back here because I moved it, so if I move the decimal up, it's still the answer, 36. In number 3, you get 2 points, 1 for showing your work and 1 for the grid. Now, if you can do the grid first, that might help you. So I need 1 and 32 hundredths because I need to outline my divisor. So my divisor is 1 and 32 hundredths. So I'm outlining my divisor. And now I need 33 in each group. So 10, 20, 30. That's one group of 33. I have 7 here, 17, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. I was just counting by tens. I have 4 here, 10 more is 14, 10 more is 24. 34 is going to be too much, so 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I've got one group here, a second group here, a third group here. This should be my 4th group. Let me see if I have enough. I have 32 here, plus this one here is 33. So the answer would be 4 whole groups. I still need to show my work because that is a point. So I'm going to show my work right here. Remember, I need to move my decimal 2 places out of the divisor. So I would move it 2 places out of the dividend. So my new problem would be 33 into 132. I know the answer is 4. So I might go over here and put 33 times 4 just to double check. That's 12 and 13, and that works with no remainder. And that is how you show your division on a grid.